how you doing? So yes, this is a different type of video that I'm going to be doing. I want to kind of get everything in one video so you don't have to watch like an unboxing and then you have to watch me actually do the actual wig. I want to kind of give you a sneak peek and then actually show you the actual install. And it can be done. It can be done. Okay, so I'm going to show you this hair. This hair is from Sassy Wigs. Now, I've never heard of the company, but they reached out to me, so I want to say thank you for sponsoring the video. They sent me some hair and it came UPS. So here's the actual UPS packaging, and they sent me some lashes. You guys know I'm still on the struggle mode with these lashes. I'm trying to get it together. So they sent me their unprocessed virgin, let me get it right, deep wave hair. It came in these little packets here, normal packaging here, and here's my front. So let me get into the lengths that I have. The length that I have here is 14, 16, and 16. Now you guys know that's like my signature go. We're going to keep it right there. We're not going to go no longer. This here, what I have on is a 16. I think this is pretty much a good length for me because it's not like right above the boob, but it's right at it. So it kind of give you a little wiggle room, a little play area so you can have a little fun with, versus it being an actual 18 and it's down here on me and I'm like lost with the hair. So let's get into it. I'm going to open one of the 16 so you can kind of see the hair. And so I can see the hair. So I haven't opened anything yet. I wanted to, you know, do it with you guys. So this type of packaging here doesn't bother me because if not, I do store my actual units. Once I make them, they don't come with a bag or a box. I put them in a nice Ziploc bag and I'll label it. So that doesn't bother me. So I do like the fact that it's labeled. We know what it is and we know the pattern. We know it's natural, we know the length. I do like this, and it does give you some care instructions on the back here. So it's kind of informative here. I do like this. It has a netting on here. Let's get to the netting. Okay, so I took the netting off and here is the actual bundle. I will say off the back, it's nice and soft. It seems very even at the end. You know, I'm sure once I actually make the wig, I'm gonna have to cut off some of the ends, but I definitely like to look to see if it's like any stragglies already before I even make the wig, because that lets you know how your wig is gonna actually fall. And if these bundles are maintained just like this, my black sweater is in the way. If it's gonna maintain just like this, nice and full, it's gonna be a nice full wig. So, but my goal with this wig, I want to blow it out a little bit, if that makes any sense. I wasn't going to wear it right in this curly. In the beginning, I will, but I have another plan for this wig here. I have a little plan for it. So here's the bundles. I'm looking at the actual strands. Of course, there's a couple of flyaways in here, but you know, you got to remember this is deep wave here. They had to process it to get in this curl pattern. Not that the actual hair is processed or dyed, but to get it in this pattern, it had to be nicely steamed. So yeah, let me open one up. Okay. So it's extra secure. This bundle, I done took my rubber band off and there's still some security right here. Okay, let's look at the weft. I could just pull it apart. I'm not gentle with it or anything like that, because at the end of the day, I want to make sure this wig is going to do what it's supposed to do. And this hair, I should say that, because me sewing is going to stay put, but the actual bundle has to last. So I do like the little ringlets, as you can see. Nice little ringlets. Of course, there's beards. They have to fold the hair to put them on the weft. The actual weft is amazing. I do like the weft construction. I like when I see wefts that are super duper neat. And this is super duper neat. I like that. That's really, really nice. Okay, the hair is nice and curly. And I know once I actually wash it and fluff it out and, you know, do my little frizz thing, it's going to look really, really nice. I want to wear this hair in its natural state. I'm not going to color this hair. I just want to wear like a flip over. Let me show you the actual closure. So I made a wig a while back and it was in some loose wave hair, and I really, really liked how that wig came out, and I still wear that wig, but I wanted to have a wig that was a little bit more curlier and it kind of mimicked having like how can I say, perm rod curls. If that makes any sense. So I was going for that particular look. So far so good. I like this actual closure. Let's take a look at this. This is the back. I love the reinforcement here. Some frontals don't have a reinforcement, which is still fine, but I do like when it has a reinforcement on the edge, because it lets you know exactly what you're doing, how to pull nice and taut. Because if you have a closure that doesn't have this, it can kind of snag the closure and it can, you know, make it rip easy. Now I'm trying to say this looks like it's kind of pre-plucked, but it wouldn't make me no difference because of I don't pluck closures because I don't wear my wigs to show edges. I don't want to wear this hair in a ponytail, so I don't need that. They do have quite a bit of baby hairs here, nicely swooped around and everything, looking cute. But again, I don't wear my hair like that, so because it's already a wig. We know it's a wig. We already know it's not mine, so we don't need to fake it any more than what we're doing, right? So I want to wear this wig kind of like effortlessly, if it makes any sense. Let's see how it comes out. So let's see. Hey ladies, so yes, I'm back. So here's the hair. 16, 16, 14, and a 14-inch lace closure. I am loving this. All I have in the hair is this Lotta Body right here. This is Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It's a soft, what do you call it? Wrapping solution. I love it. I use it on my natural hair. I use it on my units. I especially use it on my units when I want to smooth down the actual parting. For this particular wig, I don't have any parting. I just pretty much have it because I'm going to cut bangs. I want to wear this as a full unit, if you will. So I don't have any parting. It is a lace frontal, but I wanted my frontal to be like a bang, you know, like a maybe a full wig, if you will. So I love it. I love it. I love it. It is the Brazilian deep wave. Guys, I haven't had a deep wave like this in I don't know when. I'm looking in the mirror right here. I want to give you all the deets on this. This right here, my hair is still wet, but it's drying down here, and the way it's drying, let me see if I can find a dry one. This right here. Do you guys see this? Look at that curl. I love it. I'm looking in the viewfinder. I love it. So can you imagine all of these curls drying just like this? It starts out like this, then it dries up. I did have this wig turned inside out because I like to flip my wigs over when I wet them. This feels amazing. I love it. I like to have, when I wear curly hair, for some reason I like to have one side back, one side to the front. I like to do the zhuzh thing. I just love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I did sew this on a actual wig cap. It took me about, oh God, 4 hours in total. I did a little piece one day, another piece the other day, but however, it came out really, really lovely. I'm gonna leave all the information down below on this particular wig. Well, not the wig. I'm gonna leave all the information down below, all the links to this particular store. This is called Sassy Wigs, and the links to this particular hair. Guys, take a look, try them out. I have no complaints. Like I said, I've never heard of the company before. I'm not sure if I mentioned that to you in the early parts of the video, but I am so glad I have found this company, because this is some really, really nice hair. I didn't want to get nothing too long. You know, I told you guys before, I'm going to chill out on the 18 and all that long stuff. I do have some hair coming that I did order that is some long hair, but we're going to stick with this length because this is active length. We like active. We don't want nothing too crazy, right? But again, really, really nice hair. It was really, really manageable. Let me get into something before I close out. You guys know I like to sew my hair on the cap before I wash my units. When I wash the hair did not tangle, it did not knot, it did not do anything. I was able to wash the hair with my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I didn't have to do any deep conditioner, anything like that to detangle or to make it smooth. There was no residue or anything like that. It was a really, really smooth transition. I really feel like, you know, when you wash hair, that will let you know the quality of the hair. In addition to when you use your water bottle, your spray, or whatever you put in the hair. I really prefer not to use any product in the hair. I may use a dry shampoo if I don't want to wash the units too much, because then that stretches out your cap. But for the most part, this was a really good experience with this particular hair. I really like it. I just can't wait for my hair to dry. I was gonna blow dry a little bit, but I wanted to naturally air dry, because when you zhuzh it, it just gives it more body and it gives it more fullness. I just can't wait. This is perfect summer hair. This hair indicates you're ready for summer. I was contemplating if I should put a little color in it. What you guys think? Let me know down below if I should put some color in it or if I should straighten it. Let me know. I think this hair will look really good straightened. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I did blow dry the hair. I did a strand test to see if it would curl back, and it did. So let me know if you want me to straighten the actual hair. I would love to do that, to show you guys, you know, how it's straightened and how it looks. It probably looks so nice and full, because these dry pieces under here, this looks so nice. And just look at this. Look at this. I love it. I can't wait. I can't wait for it all to dry. But let me know down below, what's your summer hair gonna be, in addition to if I should color or straighten the hair. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.